Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Poption channel. Today guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to install a theme on Shopify platforms. If you know you don't know my name before, my name is Emmanuel, okay? And if you know this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you love what I discuss in this video, just like my video. And if you have any question after this video, you can comment down below and ask your question. Okay, thank you. So guys, I'm going to go straight to my Shopify store dashboard right now to teach you guys. Now this is my Shopify store dashboard. As you can see, this is what we call Shopify store dashboard. Now if you want to install a theme on Shopify store dashboard, or let's just say on Shopify platforms to make it more easier, now you have to click on online store like this. Right, so after clicking on online store, you can see all these under these under the online store. We have themes, so you just have to focus here. This is the themes area that we need. Now under this themes area, you can see what it brings out. Now we have paid theme, and also we have free theme. Now but I'm going to be show you guys the both, how to install the both the paid theme and also the free theme. You understand me? Though I've already purchased the paid theme, so I'm just going to be using it, which is going to be more convenient. Now as you can see, automatically immediately I create this store. This is the current theme that I'm using. This is Dan theme. Automatically I was given down team. But this down team is a free team. It's not a paid team. It is actually a free team. But I'm not going to be using this. Now, how can you install team? You have to scroll down like this. If you scroll down, you can see what we call team library. Yeah, right? Now, at the front, you see add team. Click on add team. You click on upload zip file. Right? But now let's take for example you don't have money, or you don't have enough capital to purchase a paid team. You can just scroll down and choose any free team right here. We still have more free teams. So if you want to check it, you can just click on visit team store. So under the visit team store, you'll be able to see a lot of themes, like both the paid team and also the free team. So you can choose whatever you want from it. Now if you scroll down like this, can you see? So we have the price, the industry, the category size, the futures. So we have the free, we have the paid, we have the paid. So we have the paid, we have the free team, and a lot and a lot and a lot more. Okay, so you can choose whatever free team you want. If you check under this price here, you can see free team we have about like 12, paid team we have about like 161. So you have the opportunity to choose whatever you want. If you don't have the money to purchase the paid team, you can use the free team. But it's not recommended to use the free team. The future is different. You use the paid team and the free team, the future is different. The paid team is going to be more effective. You understand what I'm saying? So you can choose whatever you want right here. But I'm not going there. I go back to the Shopify dashboard, team area. So let's take for example, I want to use this spotlight or refresh theme. All these are free theme. So now let's take for example, I want to use this spotlight theme by Shopify. I'll just click on add like this. I'll click on the add. Let's see what it will bring out. Automatically the spotlight have started installing. Can you see installing theme? So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, or a couple of minutes. So very, very easy and very fast. So after the spotlight theme installed, so you can be able to like customize and publish. That's it. But currently right now, remember that you are using down theme. Automatically you're using down theme for now. So if you don't like the down theme, you can move on to the spotlight. Now as you can see, the spotlight theme have been added just now. So if you want to customize the theme, you can customize it. If you want to publish the theme, you can publish it. Now, how can you add paid theme? Let's say for example, you have purchased the paid theme, you have get the zip file on your file manager. You just have to come here, click on add theme, and click on upload zip file. I'm going to be installing a motion theme. I already have the motion team or my file manager. So I'll just click on upload zip file like this. So I click on add file. Now this is the zip file for the motion team. So I'll just click on it and click on open. So the motion team will start installing. Let's click on upload file. Great. Can you see team export? I customized the name, you understand? You can also customize your own name if you want. You can rename it. You understand what I'm saying? So let's wait for some seconds or let's say a minute. Very fast and easy. So after you're able to install it, you can able to customize as well and also publish. But this is paid and this is free team. The future is more different. This is going to be more effective than this spotlight or this daunting. You understand? So, but if you can go for the free team if you're not capable of, but well, I would recommend you to go for the free team, to go for the paid team. Sorry, to go for the paid team. It's very much effective. But if you were wondering, maybe you don't know how to get it, you understand me? You can just comment down below and let me know so we can talk together or contact me on my Gmail. You can check out my description right here on my channel. So you can contact me on my Gmail. So I'll be able to get you the motion team at affordable price. You understand? I'll get it at affordable price. So this is how to install team on your Shopify store. So you can just publish. If you click on publish, this down team will be down below and this paid team will be up like this. So let's click on publish. You click on publish and you click on publish. So you wait for some seconds so for the team to publish. So the down team will be down below while the paid team will be up. You understand? So you can see team published. So this is the motion team and this is the down team below. So this is the team we have currently right now, as you can see, right? So that is all about that, how to install team on your Shopify store. If you know you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and also comment down below if you have any question. If you want to get the paid team at affordable price as well, if you don't have enough budget, you can just DM me, let me know, okay? Just reach me out. We're gonna have a conversation together and I will help you to get it. Thank you for watching my video once again. Bless, stay blessed.